The Exynos 1580 is set to power the upcoming Galaxy A56 and brings a host of improvements. Built on Samsung's advanced 4nm EUV process, the Exynos 1580 features a new 3-cluster CPU design. It includes one prime Cortex A7 to O-core clocked at 2.9 GHz, 3 additional A720 cores at 2.6 GHz, and for A520 cores running at 1.95 GHz. This shift from ARM-Vate to ARM-v9 cores promises a substantial boost in performance. On the GPU front, the Exynos 1580 is equipped with AMD's RDNA 3 architecture, doubling the GPU hardware from its predecessor. It now has to workgroup processors, delivering a 37% increase in maximum performance and a 20% boost at comparable power levels. The new GPU also enhances the GL to cache. The NPU in the Exynos 1580 boasts 14.7 TOPS of performance, a marked improvement over the 4.9 TOPS of the 1380, although Samsung hasn't specified the performance for the 1480. It features a larger 2MB cache for improved processing capabilities. The chipset supports LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, maintaining connectivity options such as 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.4. It continues to support displays up to 1080p+ at 144 Hz and single to 00MP cameras or dual 30 to 32MP setups with 4000 video. The Exynos 1580 is expected to debut in the Galaxy A56 early next year, and while there are hints it might also appear in upcoming tablets, that's yet to be confirmed. Overall, the Exynos 1580 promises to enhance the mid-range smartphone experience significantly.